Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have this awesome unboxing to do. It's from Bzzagent. I have my hand covering the thing, the mailing label. Yeah, I just got it today. It's for the Walgreens flu shot campaign, which I already opened it up just to make sure nothing spilled or that. And so I thought I'd do a video about it. I think I'm having a great makeup day, by the way. I think I am. This highlighter is really slaying it for me today. So yeah, it's just saying about flu shots and that at Walgreens, which I have Geisinger, and I don't have to go to wherever it is and get it. And stuff like that. So yeah, I thought I'd do a thing for them. I signed up for Bzzagent years ago, back when I first started doing influencer stuff like that. Just moving this around. This is better. Oh, by the way, this necklace is from Paparazzi. This is from Bonton forever ago. In case you're wondering about my jewelry. Yeah, I love this. This necklace, it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. And I'm a huge Disney nerd about it, so I had to have this. I hosted a party, nothing really sold at that one. And she was like, hey, I'll send you, shop my thing, albums. I said, hey, do you still have this? She's like, yeah, I'll send you that. That's cool. So yeah, I thought I'd let's get back to this, shall we? So yeah, it's from Bzzagent. I have all the info right here if you want to pause it. And you could read about it. Read it. You know, yeah, that's what today's video is about. Yeah, I signed up, I think it was 3 years ago. It had to be over 3 years ago. I moved to Kingston, PA. I found out about Bzzagent through one of my mutual friends on Facebook. And yeah, so they redid their website. I re-signed up different, I think same email, maybe? Yeah. Or re-linked my account. And this is what today's video is about. I love what's in here. This stuff will come in handy. I go through a good portion of this stuff, every so often. I'm gonna show you one by one what's in here. It's Walgreens. All of this is Walgreens brand, which is awesome. This cold rub, I have Mentholatum, which was my grandmother's, and it's still good. It does not expire. I use it all over the place. You know, but I've never tried this one in my life. I was not sure if it was oh, just go to Walgreens and get the flu shot. I got the flu shot back when I went to see my primary care doctor at Geisinger. I got it then. You know, it was because it's with my insurance. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I never even I love dupes of things. I do. So I'm gonna. Yeah, it looks exactly like Vicks Vapo Rub. Basically, it does. It does. It probably smells like it too. It does. It just looks like that. You know, it's nothing to complain about. You know, yeah. I've been using Mentholatum really deep in my nose. I've had a dry nose. A really dry nose recently. So like to the point where it's like the inside of it is bleeding. So this is the chest rub, which I've never used in my life. I've never used it. So now it's the nasal spray, which is always good. It's always good to have this on hand, because like I said, it's always something need. Yeah. And there's only 2 more things. There's lip balm, and it's one of my favorite. I love cherry. It's cherry flavored. It's a Walgreens brand, which is so cool. I have lip balm all over the place. I have it on my vanity, my nightstand. Actual matter of fact, I'll show you what I've been using recently. Burt's Bees. I think this is just the plain one. It has vitamin E and peppermint. I do not recommend it if you have like what I have going on here, dry AF, like lips, chapped lips. I do not recommend this one. Like I use the one from, what is that brand? It is called, I forget the brand now. Damn it. They are pretty like all over like the drugstore. I got it from, I got it from Glimmer, another site you could get stuff from. It's like, what, super cranberry. That's what it is. This is awesome. This will come in handy. There's only one thing left in the box. Cough drops. I go through these things like nobody's watching me. I'm not sure if there's any, like, whatevers. It doesn't say about this. Like, I have, like, sore throat and stuff, so this comes in handy. And so, yeah, that 4 things and, like, stuff I have to do. That's it for this video. I'm doing another one for ear fleek. It's coming up, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this stuff interesting. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.